My Frida baby Grow With Me bathtub just came in the mail. I wanted this one because of the basin that it had, so you don't have to fill the entire bottom of the tub with water. I also love the color of this one because it's gender neutral and it's like the sea green color, which I think is so beautiful. It looks like it can be adjusted into 4 positions and it dries quickly and is machine washable. It's made for 0 to 24 months. And these are the setups based on how big baby is. This gives a little more of a clear picture on how to set it up. 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9 to 12 months. This is what it looks like coming straight out of the box. It has this hook right here so that you can hang it up to dry. The colors and the packaging is genius. Like, I love it. Look at this. Grow on with your bath self. So cute. I love that it has these plugs too that go all the way down. And so you can just open them up and drain it that way. Super good idea. If you have this tub and you like it, then let me know in the comments. Like, how is it with adjusting it as your baby is growing? Is it easy? It looks super easy. Do you like this tub, or do you wish that you would have went with something like the Angel Care? I know I was definitely going back and forth between the Frida baby and then the Angel Care. There's quite a big size difference, and the Angel Care, you do have to fill up the tub, whereas the Frida baby, you don't have to waste so much water and fill up the entire tub. Overall, it looks like really good quality. I love the color. It's so cute. It looks even cuter in person than it did in the pictures. Like, the design, everything is just perfect. Let me know if you guys buy this tub and if you love it too. And I can't wait to put my baby girl in here and wash her hair and adjust the seat as she goes from 0 to 3 months to 6 to 9 months. Good job, Frida baby. I love it.